Hey, it's Ryan with AVL Looms, and today we're going to learn how to change out the reed on the K-Series loom. So let's take a look.
Okay, so here we are at the K-Series loom. The only tool you're going to need is a 7/16 wrench, preferably a socket wrench with a ratchet. Makes life easier. So on this loom there's 4 sets of bolts, so 2 on each side, upper and lower, and we're not going to remove the bolts, but all we have to do is loosen them to create a gap between the upper and lower part of the beater, and then we could slide the reed out, put a new reed in, and tighten it down. So you can just start by loosening all the bolts up. So once you have the bolts loosened up, you'll feel the bottom drop and the top will be loose here. So a distance is created between the top and the bottom, and all you're going to do is push out the reed from one side. But essentially you can see how it just slides out the side. So you don't need to remove the beater top, just enough to loosen this up so that there's some wiggle room here, and then also the bottom is loose. So to put a new reed in, all you do would be slide it in from the side. You push it with 2 hands into the center and just kind of make sure that the reed is about center where you want it. And then what you do is you start with the top side and make sure that this is flush with the beater top. You want this bracket right here just kind of flush. I just kind of put my thumb there. These down. They don't need to be too tight. Do the same with the other side. Just kind of put your thumb there to make sure that that's flush. And as soon as you get these tight, you're going to pull the bottom up. So you pull the bottom of the beater up and then just tighten it down. And that just secures the reed in place. Make sure that's up nice and tight, and you're done. And it's as easy as that.